Bali days, 7 or 8 a.m. po, nagme-makeup na yung mga yan, nag-ready. Pero more than the early call time, sila po ay naghanda ng isang performance or sayaw para po sa ating lahat. At sabi po ng kanilang leader, 4 na buwan na to po nila tong pinapractice. Tama ba, ladies? Kaya naman ito po ang pasabog ng ating couple. May special award, ang pinaka-energetic na abay. Isang team bride at isang team groom. Ang mapipili po ay mag-uwi ng 1,500. Pero nag-isa lang po isang babae po at isang lalaking abay. So a total of 3,000 for the team bride and team groom. So eto na, hindi ko na po patatagalin pa. Ladies and gentlemen, to set the stage on fire, let us welcome the Team Sheena, your team bride! Wala bang palakpakan dyan? Come on, let's go! Once again, ladies and gentlemen, your team bride! Let's go!
Some boys kiss me, some boys hug me. I think they're okay. If they don't give me proper credit, I just walk away. They can beg and they can plead, but they can't see the light. That's right. 'Cause the boy with the gold hard cash is always Mr. Right. 'Cause we are living in the material world, and I am a material girl. You know that we are living in the material world, and I am a material girl.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, team bride! Ladies, wala man na maupo. Dito lang tayo sa gilid.